So guys, let's start cleaning all the stuff. First clean this toothbrush. Oil injection pump is very necessary part of your engine. Some people bypass this oil injection system and put the oil from petrol mix, pre-mix, what you say. But in rotary valve engine, rotary disc engine, this one is Kawasaki KH, KE100, KE125, KH125. These engine are rotary valve engine. So for rotary valve engine, oil injection is necessary. If you will bypass the oil injection, it will damage your rotary valve and your crank as well. The performance get enhanced, but it will not, the engine will not long last. If you want the long last performance and without any problem, you must have to use this oil injection. Do not bypass it. For reed valve engine like Yamaha RX100, RX115, RX135, DT, TT model, all these Yamaha models, Suzuki GP100, for that you can bypass the oil injection. No, in Suzuki GP model, it's also rotary valve. Do not bypass in GP model Suzuki. For Yamaha RX100, RX models, RXZ, you can bypass and it will not damage that much as compared to Kawasaki. This oil injection pump is working, is okay. I'm just doing the cleaning. This oil injection don't have any problem right now because I replaced the oil injection pump in my motorcycle KH125 GTO 125, and I put the brand new oil injection pump and I put it off. This one I put it off for service because I was in doubt. That bike was sitting like for 3 or 4 years, so I was in doubt that maybe the injection was not working good. So I put the brand new and took this off. टेस्ट ला दो. You can use just simple petrol or to clean this, or kerosene oil, whatever is available. You can use that, use petrol or kerosene for that, but at the end just make sure that no dust will remain inside. Always clean thoroughly. From outside it will be okay. This looks fine right now. See, everything is in good condition from inside, from here. Never push too much hard. Always use gentle hands. Right now we are cleaning each and every part, but at the end, before reassembling it, we will lube it with the engine oil or any oil which is available to you. This also comes out, but right now I am not taking it out. So see guys, this part usually what why an injection pump stuck, this part get stuck inside due to non-lubrication, and you will see marks here. That's why it will stop working. It will not move freely inside. These marks get damage. See, it work like this. So guys, and also these seals are also not easily available. This piston, So that's how you can service your oil injection pump very easily. And if it will stop working, you can just open it, service it, check what is the problem. Is anything is not sticking, getting stuck inside, then it will work fine. Just wash it with the gas or with the petrol or gas and reassemble it. Thank you guys and take care. Like my video, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.